Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display or show text and button on image hover in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when person hover on image, so we are going to display text and button on hover effect. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see add element, so click on it and then you see multiple elements. And then hover on box, now you see, and then you see hover boxes, again hover on it, and then you see multiple design. So use this design, so drag and drop here anywhere you want in Wix website. Now you see design is added, and then you see regular, hover. So first we are going to delete this text because we are going to display button and text on hover on regular section. Now we are going to delete this, right click on it, and then click on delete, and then you see image, also you see some border effect. Now click on image. First we are going to remove border width. Now you see design, so click on it, and then you see customize design, so again click on it. Now you see border, corner, shadow. Now click on border, and then you see width 1, you see 1 border. Now make it 0. Now you see border width remove, and then you see image spacing, so you can set according to requirement. Now close. So we are going to change image. Now you see change image, so click on it. So you can use image from here, or if you want you can upload from your system, so click on it, upload media, and then you see upload from computer, so click on it. So we select this image and then click on open. So image upload done. Now click on it and then click on choose image. Now you see image edit. So you can add image according to requirement, and then you see hover, so click on it. Again you see image, also you see border. So first we are going to remove border. Now click on image, and then you see design, so click on it, and then you see customize design, so again click on it. Now you see border, so click on it, and then you see width. Now make it 0. Now you see width remove. Now close this, and then we are going to delete image. Now click on image, right click, and then click on delete, so click on it. Now you see image remove. So regular image show on both section, regular and hover, but you see text white. If you want you can change color. So we are going to add text and button also. On left side you see add to hover plus icon, so click on it. Now you see button or text, so hover on text, and then you see paragraph. Now drag and drop here like this, so you can set alignment according to requirement. And then we are going to add button. On left side you see add, so click on it, and then you see button, hover on it, and then you see multiple design, so you can select design according to requirement. Now you see, so drag and drop here like this. Now you see button is added, so you can set alignment according to requirement. Now you see main text, so click on it. So we are going to change color scheme. Now you see edit text, so click on it, and then you see color. Now select, make it black. Now close. Now click on exit hover mode, and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page, and then scroll down. Now you see image, so hover on it. Now you see title, text, button on hover. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.